Work is changing. The way we approach our daily tasks and responsibilities is evolving rapidly. It's not just about going to an office every day. The traditional 9-to-5 routine is being redefined. Technology is making it possible to work from anywhere. Whether it's a cozy cafe, a serene park, or the comfort of your home office, the possibilities are endless. This new way of working is exciting and brings new opportunities. Freelancers and remote workers are thriving in this flexible environment. The traditional office might not be the only option for much longer. Companies are rethinking their office spaces and investing in remote work infrastructure. We're entering an era of virtual offices. Virtual reality and augmented reality are transforming how we interact and collaborate. These digital spaces allow us to connect with colleagues from all over the world. Teams are more diverse and inclusive, bringing together talent from different cultures and backgrounds. This shift impacts how we think about work-life balance and productivity. With more control over our schedules, we can achieve a healthier balance between professional and personal life, leading to increased satisfaction and well-being. Imagine a workspace without walls or desks. Picture a place where the traditional boundaries of an office are completely redefined. That's what a virtual office is all about. It's a revolutionary concept that brings the office to you wherever you are. It's a digital environment where you can meet and collaborate with colleagues. You can share ideas, brainstorm, and work on projects just as you would in a physical office. Instead of face-to-face interactions, you have video calls and online chats. These tools allow for seamless communication, making it feel like you're right there with your team. Virtual offices use technology to recreate the feeling of being in an office. Advanced software and applications simulate the office environment, making remote work more engaging and productive. You can move around, talk to people, and work on projects together. The virtual space is designed to be interactive, allowing for a dynamic and flexible work experience. It's all done through your computer or VR headset. These devices bring the virtual office to life, providing an immersive experience that bridges the gap between remote and in-person work. With the rise of remote work, virtual offices are becoming more popular. They offer a solution that combines the convenience of working from home with the collaborative spirit of a traditional office. Imagine celebrating milestones, hosting meetings, and even having virtual office parties. The possibilities are endless in this new reality. As technology continues to evolve, the virtual office will only become more sophisticated, offering even more features to enhance the remote work experience. Welcome to a new reality where the office is wherever you are and the future of work is now. Virtual offices offer many benefits. One of the biggest is flexibility. You can work from anywhere with an internet connection. This means you can say goodbye to long commutes and hello to a better work-life balance. Another advantage is cost savings. Companies save money on office space and other overhead costs. Employees save money on commuting and work attire. Virtual offices are a win-win for everyone. Section 4. The downside challenges in the virtual world. While virtual offices offer many benefits, they also have challenges. These challenges can impact productivity and overall job satisfaction. One major concern is the potential for social isolation. Without the daily interactions that occur in a physical office, employees can feel lonely and disconnected. When you work remotely, it's easier to feel disconnected from colleagues. This lack of face-to-face communication can lead to misunderstandings and a sense of being out of the loop. Technical issues can also be a significant problem. From software glitches to hardware malfunctions, these issues can cause delays and frustration. A poor internet connection or software glitches can disrupt workflow. These disruptions can lead to missed deadlines and decreased productivity. Creating a productive and engaging work environment in a virtual setting requires careful planning and execution. Employers need to invest in reliable technology and provide support to help employees overcome these challenges. Additionally, fostering a sense of community through regular virtual meetings and team-building activities can help mitigate feelings of isolation. Encouraging employees to take breaks and engage in informal virtual interactions can also enhance their well-being and job satisfaction. By addressing these challenges head-on, companies can create a more effective and satisfying virtual work environment for their employees. Section 5, the verdict, a hybrid future. Will virtual offices completely replace physical ones? It's too early to say. Both have pros and cons. We might see a hybrid model emerge in the future. Offices may become places for collaboration and meetings while day-to-day work happens virtually. The future of work is evolving, and it's going to be exciting to see what happens next.